Welcome to Lalibela, a place where faith and artistry intertwine in a truly awe-inspiring way. Deep beneath the Earth's surface, hidden within the rugged Ethiopian highlands, lies a hidden marvel, the rock-hewn churches of Lalibela. Carved directly from solid rock, these 12th, 5th century churches are a testament to the ingenuity and devotion of the people who built them. Imagine walking through narrow passageways, descending into subterranean sanctuaries adorned with intricate carvings. Through the majesty of Beta Georgis, the Church of St. George, renowned for its unique cruciform design, a masterpiece carved from a single monolithic rock. Lalibela is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, a pilgrimage destination for millions of Christians, a religious anchor for millions of Ethiopians, and a reminder that human creativity can transcend the ordinary. Experience the magic of Lalibela with Aziz Ahmed, a journey into the heart of Ethiopian spirituality and a marvel to the enduring power of human ingenuity.
አቡነ ዘበሰማያት ይትቀደስ ስምከ ትምጻእ መንግሥትከ ወይኩን ፈቃድከ በከመ በሰማይ ከማሁ በምድር ሲሳየነ ዘለለ ዕለትነ ሀበነ ዮም